With this device, it's perfect for your caravans, trailers, trucks, buses, anything that's just going to be outside for a long time basically. We can actually set up a geofence and it'll let us know when the vehicle's left that area. Another great feature of this app is... Hi there, welcome to the Spy Store. Today we're going to be looking at our solar powered heavy duty asset tracker. Let's open it up and have a look. First thing in the box, we've got the device itself and the stand that it goes on. The unique charging cable, make sure we don't lose these. They just magnet onto the device. You're good to go. Set of screws and the Allen key to access the charging point and the power button. Due to the solar panel on the top, it means we can actually just set it up and then forget it pretty much. Put it on top of the vehicle somewhere it's going to get lots of sunlight throughout the year. Drive around, pretty much never have to worry about battery. So with this device, it's perfect for your caravans, trailers, trucks, buses, anything that's just going to be outside for a long time basically. If I open this up, you can take the tracker off the base, and now when you've got the base you can take the sticky back off, stick it down, use the provided screws in the 4 slots, and it's not going anywhere. Fully attached to your vehicle. To attach the base and the tracker, just slide them in to your click. And then we can take the screws again and screw them in the 4 sides, and then you'll be good to go. So you have your charging point at the top and your on switch, and your SIM card goes in the side here. So to switch the device on, we just need to take that little side bit off with the Allen key provided, and then the little switch is just inside. So I like to use a pair of tweezers or a pin just because it can be a little bit fiddly. Now we can take our SIM card, make sure we're going metal side up. There's actually a little image where it says SIM, and it'll show you which way it goes in if you can't remember. When putting the SIM, I like to use my tweezers again, and we just push it all the way in until we hear a click, and then we let go. Now we've got the device switched on and our SIM card in there, we can go ahead and connect it to our phone. What we need to do on our phone is download the highly recommended and rated TrackSolid Pro app and create an account. Once we've created an account, open the app, press add, and this will ask us to enter the IMEI. This number is the unique code that every single tracker has. On this case, it's actually printed on the front and it's got a QR code there. So what we'll do, we'll just scan the QR code today, and then it'll say device bind successful, and it'll ask you to fill in all these things. So we can do device name, we can edit that, and we can put the license plate number, the driver name, and the contact number. So this is great, especially if there's part of your fleet, then you know exactly which driver is driving which vehicle and where they are if you need to find out quickly. For now, we'll just save it, and then it'll say success. If we go to our list, we can see it here on our list. Once it's here, we can open it up and go through the different settings. So if we press tracking, it will show us where it is. This will be a live track. So right now, it's just where we are. If this was out on the road somewhere and I was still here in the city, I'd be able to log in, see how fast the car's going, and exactly where it is. Another great feature of this app is the playback. So we press that, we select the time and date, press play, and then it'll show us exactly where the vehicle has been in the past 6 months. So you just select time and date, anytime within the past 6 months, you'll see where the vehicle's been, how fast it was going, how long it stopped in various different places. One of the other features here is geofencing. So we can actually set up a geofence and we can get an alert on our phone or the app, and it'll let us know when the vehicle's left that area. Another great use for this could be on your shipping containers, your caravans, your trailers, trucks, buses, even just on your car. If you ever do think the battery might be dying or you want to check it, you can actually just open up the app and it'll tell you right there. So this device now, it's actually got 60%. So maybe before we put it on our vehicle, we'll use the cord that's been supplied, charge it up to 100%, and then put it on our vehicle. So if you use your vehicle for a few weeks or a few months and then leave it stored under cover for a while, this was then perfect to use the charging cable for when you next want to use it. So just charge it up, give it a quick boost before you then leave it out in the sun again, and off you go. If you have any other questions about our great product here, feel free to get in touch with us here at the Spy Store. Thank you.